Hello and welcome, grade 8. Today we will start with block 2. But remember, the block exam will be from block 1. Block 1 just include from worksheet number 1 to worksheet number 5. You have to study macro, file and folder, structure, search Google, copyright, scientific research paper. This include in grade block exam. It will be 23 of November. But now we will study block 2. Okay, block 2 start with flowchart. I know everybody hates flowchart, but I will make it easy for you. Try to think with me about flowchart. Flowchart, I think you already studied in grade 6 and grade 7. So, system flowchart are a way of displaying how data flows in a system and how decisions are made to control events. Or it's a diagram that use a standard graphic symbol to illustrate the sequence of steps required for solving a problem. We use ellipse to make a terminal. It's symbol like oval or ellipse. You can use it for start and end blue chart. Start and end blue chart. You have to write inside it start and end. Like this program, start and end. Parallelogram, we use it to input and output. We use it to input, output. If you want to input, make the user input any um, any number or variable, just you have to use parallelogram to input output. Like this one, read A, read B, or print. Read mean input, print mean output. Okay, the same. Input, output. You can use input or read. You can use output or print. Rectangle used to process. Process. If you have any process, you have to put it in this rectangle. Yes, perfect. Diamond you use for decision. If you have yes or no, any questions can use yes or no, you have to use decision. Arrow used to follow clue lines. Okay, let's start with simple one. How to find sum. How to find sum. Any number, I have to sum. So start, read A, read B, sum equal A plus B, print sum n. Very simple blue chart. So think with me about this one. Find the average of three numbers. Three numbers, average, read X, Y, Z. Any variable you can use, any letters you can use, no problem. Average equal X plus Y plus Z, bracket, you have to use bracket, and divided by 3. Print will be print average. Okay, and then think with me about this one. Draw flowchart to calculate the number of year by the number of months. Calculate the number of year. He need to print number of year. Okay, by the number of months. He need to insert number of months. So I will make a flowchart to read M. Read M. M mean month. Read M. Like 36. 36 divided by 12 will be 3 years. So read M. Y equal M divided by 12. Print Y and N. Okay. Let's think with this one. Draw flowchart to calculate the area of circle. Area equals 3.4, 3.14 multiply R, multiply R. So I have to use start, then read R. If I know R, I can give the result of area. So I will put area equal 3.14 RR, print area, end. Yes, very good. This one, draw flowchart for a program that will obtain exam score. Exam score from a user. Determine whether the score is greater than or equal 50 and display the message pass. And if the score is less than 50, print fail. Okay, I will make a program for read score, read S. Then if S greater than or equal 50, yes, print pass. No, print fail. And then yes. This one will be a different one. Try to think how cruise control keeps the car steady speed that has been set by the driver. Then draw a flowchart. Cruise control mean you can control speed the car. يعني التحكم بالسرعة، يعني ممكن أخلي السيارة تمشي على 100 فقط. فده cruise control. How to make a flowchart for cruise control. Speed sensor. Speed sensor. I will ask, it's too fast or no? If it's too fast, less fuel to the engine. If no, too slow, more fuel to the engine, and make it as a loop to speed sensor. Ask me again. It's too fast, less fuel to the engine. No, too slow, yes, more fuel to the engine. Okay, let me think with you about draw flowchart will control the heater in aircraft if over 90 print dangerous. If 90, if over 90 print dangerous. I will write start, then I will detect aircraft heater. If it's over 90, yes, print dangerous. I have to put any number, sorry, any letters. If you want to print dangerous as a word, you have to put it in two quotation to print dangerous. If you don't put two quotation, he will ask for, he will find, will try to find the value of dangerous. So you have to put dangerous between two quotation. Yes, and if it no, I will check again if it the heater is over 90 or not. So what is the programming? Set of instruction to enable the computer to do a specific task. It has four basic concepts. Sequence, all steps should be executed in order. Sequence means all steps should be executed in order. Nothing can be skipped in the sequence. Variable using changeable value. Constant using unchangeable value. Selection, condition, decision, it's a question, has to answer yes or no. Repetition, loop, iteration, repeating, the same meaning. He can ask you for making loop or repetition or iteration or repeating, the same. Okay, what is the algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure that the computer follows to solve a problem or complete a task. Let me think with you about next one. Flowchart, how to make algorithm for easiest flowchart. Start, I have to write step one is start. This is the algorithm, this is the flowchart. If I ask you to write algorithm to add two numbers and display the result, I have to use flowchart and algorithm to write. Step 1, start. Step 2, read value A and B. Step 3, add A and B and assign the result to sum. Sum equal A plus B. Step 4, display sum, stop. This is the algorithm. It's very easy because if you draw the flowchart right, you can write any algorithm. Next one, this is a flowchart, input X and print Y, and the same algorithm start, enter value of X, calculate, print value of Y in it. If I ask you to write algorithm and flowchart 4, show steps 4, fixing a not working lamp, fixing a not working lamp. If you think with me about algorithm, step 1, lamp doesn't work. So if lamp not plugged in, then plug in the lamp. Good. Number 3, if lamp plugged in, then if the bulb is burned out, then replace the bulb. If none of the above, then buy a new lamp. Okay. Can you see the flowchart? Lamp doesn't work. Lamp plugged in? Yes. No. Plug in lamp? Yes. Bulb burn it out? Yes or no? Yes. Replace bulb? No. Buy a new lamp. This already talk about flowchart in this week. So you have to solve the task. I put it in the Teams. So and you can read the worksheet to solve any problem you want and put your answer in worksheet. Thank you.